Good morning everybody, good to see you all again in another video. So I'm just going to talk about work from home today. So if you're an early bird, you can conquer the world. That's a mantra. So when it was announced that every organization, most of the organization was going remotely working because of this pandemic situation, I think one thing which came into all our minds was the commuting, the long hours commuting what we have in metro cities, because that was one of the time stealer what we had when we were going in office. At the same time, our mornings was very hectic because we need to hit the office at specific time, so we need to take care of a lot of things. I'm not ashamed to tell that, because when you have a kids at home, if you are married, you have to take care of your kids, you have to take care of their schooling, you have to take care of your pets, you have to take care of your garden, probably your maids, and much more. Actually, to struggle with all these things and still reach office on time. But when we went remote working, all these time stealers went away. But what I'm trying to tell here is one thing. I'm going to go against all this, the timing what we have now, because most of them when started working from home, some of them took it positively and made good fortune out of it, but most of them had challenges in working from home. So some of them started putting on weight, they started sleeping more, some of them had frustration in relationships, some of them ended up working much more than number of hours what they used to work in office, and they are completely in stress. So, but one thing which I can suggest to you is about becoming an early bird, which can manage your time in a proper way, and you come out of all these issues. So getting up early can make your life much more easier than what you are today, because I can take my example. I am working from home from some more than a year now, and I log in at 12 p.m. and my morning starting hour is at 4:30 a.m. and 4:30 a.m. to near like 12 p.m. it's more than 8 hours, and this 8 hours is a huge amount of time to spend time for myself and for my family and others actually. So first thing what you need is your time for yourself. So when you get up early in the morning, what happens is you can spend a quality time with yourself. Some of them want to do yoga, some of them want to do meditation, some of them want to do your exercise or go to gym, run, whatever it is. You can spend a good amount of quality time for yourself. Once you do that, you have a good amount of time for your family life as well, to spend some time with your family, your spouse, your kids and everybody, right? And when you log in, and on the corporate side of it also, you can be prepared for your meetings, your business meetings, your corporate meetings, whatever. Prepare for it, log in half an hour early and find out what are things we need to do before I get into meetings. So you are very effective in the meetings as well. So when you're taking care of your family in the morning, that quality time is taken care. The corporate life, the 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. what you're going to do, that also will be taken care in an easier way. So you don't have stress of that family when you already taken care of that. You already spent some time there. So when you're prepared for your meetings, when you get up early and make sure you have your meetings ready, you have your notes ready and everything, so you don't have to really be stressed about how the meetings will go. You definitely can take care of it in a better way. So once you complete the meeting as well, so if you can go back to bed, rather than taking care of your Netflix or whatever, the social media what you're in and you're wasting time, if you can go back to early to bed, so you can get up early as well, right? So you're being early bird, I think you can conquer the world. That's a mantra again. So nothing has been easy. It's not easy as I tell. So saying, change your schedules accordingly and do that, but changing a schedule for small amount of time, in a shorter period of time, probably you start today and you continue that change in schedule for next 21 days, it becomes your habit, and I can see a lot of transformation. It's what me and my wife have completely inculcated in our life. So rather than going late in the night, so we started once we complete our work, start sleeping early as well as getting up early morning. So getting up early morning has helped us in a lot of I think there are a lot of opportunities available there actually when you take off, organize your prepared for your meetings, organize for your personal things and everything. So early bird can conquer the world. That is my mantra against what I would say. So think about it. So if you're working from home from a longer time, if you're frustrated on a stress situation, I think reducing a little bit of sleep on a daily basis can help you to prepare yourself, organize yourself and come out of the stress. Definitely there is one or two weekends, Saturday or Sunday for yourself. If you want to catch up on your sleep, probably you can sleep one day and take rest, make sure that sleep is gone away, right? Hope my videos are helping you. If yes, please please subscribe it as well as like it, so that I can make more videos for you and make sure I'll help you with some of these nuggets. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.